the sort of kind of like de-globalization trend that we've seen has happened on the back of increased regional polarization in the world. And this now just adds gasoline to the fire, if you will. So I could see that this trend would continue, especially economies I think would be keen to onshore essential products and services for their economy, particularly, for example, in healthcare, and so that will create more local manufacturing and more local production, which could also be an opportunity. For example, for 3D printing, where you can really 3D print products locally, and you don't have to ship them across the globe, and that would also be a much more sustainable solution. So I think there's also really good things to be seen from this decelerating globalization trend.
I think especially about a certain discipline within artificial intelligence, which is about knowledge graphs. So it is important to understand what supply chains look like, and AI can help to inform supply chain strategy development. These knowledge graphs can reveal how companies are connected with each other and who's depending on who, and also on which products and services. And I think especially at a time like now with COVID-19 being in place, it is really important to very quickly understand what a supply chain looks like. And that's what these knowledge graphs can provide you with. Once you have this knowledge graph in place, it's a very valuable tool also to evaluate your supply chain, or more specifically your suppliers. Even looking beyond current suppliers, it helps you to evaluate potential other suppliers. And that's actually something we're doing with that technology right now to score potential other suppliers, how well they match with a company's specific supply chain needs, so that you get like a ranked list of maybe even better suppliers, factoring in also aspects like availability, time to market, and product availabilities, etc. So it's a more intelligent way to pick suppliers also in times of changing environments.